Hey, right, this is the Parkside Disc Sander PTSG 140B2 and it comes from out of Lidl. Right, sanding discs, probably need that, hex key, instructions and a clamp. And the piece de resistance, yep, the Hoover dust port. And here we are. Da, 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 da. The jobby itself. Right, what I'm going to do is I'm going to change angles because now you've seen. If I throw it around like that much, it's not going to last for long. Oh yeah, baby. Look at that, smooth as sandpaper, which isn't smooth at all. Right, so, liking that, yes, a little bit of an angle thing. I've got a piece of wood knocking around here, must have, surely. You have got to be kidding. Okay. Right, what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the camera to a different angle so you can see this way. Okay, be back in a minute. Okay folks, so here we are, we're back. We have some sanding discs. Excuse all the mess, I'm actually just putting a new top in, so everything is an absolute bag of pan shite. Two 240s, two 80s and two 150s. Right, so I'm going to put an 80 on because that's what I need to do, and this is how you put them on. You have to take that off, take it off, take it off. Taking off the table is like loving a good woman. Right, there we go. Now then, I don't think there's anything that needs to come off here. So what we'll do is I'm going to bang on a... The only downside to this that I can see is that once you've put the thingy on, I don't know what it's like after that to take it off and put another one on and take this. Does it lose its sticky? So that's going to be something that we'll see. So this is an 80 grit, whack it on near as possible. Smash it in all over. My battery is running out, so I just have to be very quick. Whack this back on, if I can figure out how it goes back on. Somewhere like that, there we go. And tighten down the dibsy do. And we should be cooking on gas. Give it a little nip up. Doesn't really fit that well, this key. I think they've feels like they went for a round and then changed their mind at the last minute. But anyway, it's tight. Okay, so the clamp can go on now, and I'm going to stick it onto this top. There's two ways you can put it in. You can put the clamp in that way. Put the clamp in that way and push it on, or you can turn it that way and have the clamp cracking like that and have it standing up. Obviously, I'm going to do it this way because that is what I need. Sorry about my camera angles here, but I'm actually watching this upside down, so everything is hurting my brain. Okay. Right. Come on. You know you want to. Oh, Jesus Christ. Right, here we go. Oh, come on, pull out. Right, so plugged in. Excellent. At least you know the plug works. Table fence if we need one. If we need it. Bish bosh bash. try and find, this will do that straight enough. Right, what I'll do is I'll do this straight first. So I'll find out where the 0 is, mark it up, and that should be top of the shop. Now then, what I am concerned about is the 90-degree angle. So I'll take that off for a second, and I am going to put this up against it. And I can see straight away there I am not flush at all. So that is supposed to be on 0 now. Over there. Right, that's supposed to be dead on 0. That's not too bad. That's alright. Yeah, okay. We can live with that. Right, so put my table fence back on. Whatever the hell they call that. Angle gauge table leveler thing. Put it this way so you can see. It does go in from both sides, by the way, so you're okay in that respect. And if you can all see this, then I'm going to press start, which is here. That is the up and down. That is so quiet. There we go. And there we have it, ladies and gents. Absolutely beautiful, that. What's it like when you're rounding the edge off? Oh. Yes. Absolutely beautiful. Yeah, I like that. This is a keeper. We'll keep this. Okay, there's one thing I wanted to know, was whether you could take this table off without removing the clamp, and you can. Alright, you take out your bolt and you just gently remove it and take off your pad, put your other one on, put your wadgy majuggy table back on, pop your screw back in, and away you go. Now then, the other thing was once you'd taken the adhesive, the sandpaper off the adhesive, and put it back on, would it go back onto that? The answer to that is pretty much no, hence the sticky tape. But it will go back onto the thingamajob wheel. Okay. This, by the way, spins in an anti-clockwise direction, and I think it's absolutely fantastic. But don't take my word for it. Grab yourself one at Parkside or Lidl. $29.99 in Lidl. Got mine today. I think it's there all week. So, woohoo! Happy sanding!